Alright, welcome back. On this video, we'll be cleaning some black painted wheels using the IK Foam Pro 2 along with the original wheel Woolie. So stay tuned, let's get it. And of course, the surface of the wheel is completely cool. The vehicle hasn't been driven at all today, so stay tuned, let's get it. If the wheel was warm, we will have to wait and let the wheel cool down before we apply any type of water or cleaning solution to the surface. The vehicle is pretty much already clean. I just wanted to give you guys a demo of how to clean the wheels, so stay tuned, let's get it. I have 4 original wheel Woolies. The first one I'm going to showcase is the one that I bought separately. The other 3 are the ones that I bought in a set. And this is the one that I like to clean the barrels of the wheels with. I'm going to show you exactly why in 1 second, so stay tuned, stay tuned. And as you can see, using this curved wheel Woolie, you can clean the barrel of the wheel and hit the back of the spokes all in one motion. So stay tuned, let's get it. And this larger wheel Woolie is the one that I like to use to clean the face of the wheel. So stay tuned, stay tuned. And the smaller wheel Woolies are used to get in the smaller nooks and crannies of the wheel. So stay tuned, let's get it. As you can see, the barrel of the wheels, the face of the wheels, in between the cracks and crevices of the wheel are nice and clean. And with that, I'm out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.